Week 5 YouTube. A little crazy, so I was going to read it off the thing, Dr. Copeland. What do you think are the benefits to students with regards to the right for a girl of any age in the state of California to abort a pregnancy without parental notification? What do you think are the benefits to students? I don't think there's any benefit. I think if they know they can do this, then they can, how do I say it, do what they want to do at free will. Um, I think if they're under the age of 18, their parents need to know no matter what. Um, so going to these places where they can just get free abortions and not have to tell their parents. Um, to me, I don't think it's right. This is just to me this seems like a question almost of like belief in pro-life, pro-choice type thing. Um, it's not it's no like wrong or right or wrong answer. But I do think that if they're under the age of 18, their parents need to know. Uh, it's just right. A lot of things can happen during these things. My wife's a nurse, and I don't think there's any benefit to the student except for that they're gonna know that they can deal and do what they want to do, and if they get pregnant, then they can go and um, abort a pregnancy. I don't think it's right. I don't think they should be able to do it. I don't think there's any benefit to the student. Like I said, I think that it actually hurts the students. So that's for week 5. Not a lot to say. I just don't think it's right. I think that if you want to play like a grown up, you got to be a grown up. So, or you need to talk to your parents and have them, you guys sit down and decide what's going to happen. It's a big, big responsibility. So sit down and figure out how to be a grown up. Have a good one. See you tonight, week 5, Dr. Copeland.